Welcome to the brand new facility of Discovery Edge Collision and Glass in Humboldt. In our shop, we do every make and model. We do everything from, if it's an Infiniti to a Ford. We are SGI accredited to work on everything and anything in passenger vehicles. With us, we have Adam Tremblay, the owner of Tremblay Electric in Humboldt here, as one of our customers.
Humboldt is a great place to not only grow business. I feel like we have a great demographic here, from mining to manufacturing to retail, and a great area for that, but also the right size community for raising a family, from our kids being able to ride their bikes to school to be to the hockey rink in 5 minutes, be at the grocery store in a couple minutes as well. Like, it's just got everything we need, just a great community to raise your family.
Small town Humboldt it's great. It's a nice quiet community. I've got a nice big house. I've got a huge yard. I work 8 to 5, Monday to Friday. It takes you 5 minutes to get anywhere in town. Everyone's nice and friendly, nice quiet community.
There's a lot of things to do that isn't work related. If you're outdoor enthusiast, or you like to get out, do sports or any of that kind of stuff, there's a pile of stuff to do really close to Humboldt. We're working as one big team, and that's the biggest benefit to working with our group, is the people that we have. Without that, you have nothing.
We come here to do all of our work, and they kind of return the favor, and we end up doing a lot of electrical work and try and support them in the growth of their business as well. So it's been a great relationship over the years, and I look forward to that relationship growing.